Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm a leadership and career coach that guides leaders to create a career they can love. So if you're stuck in a position that doesn't really feel right to you, if you know that you can accomplish more in your career, you're just not sure how, send me a message. I have a solution. I've worked with hundreds of leaders to craft a meaningful career that they can get paid for. So send me a message. Let's chat. I might have something for you. So today, I want to talk about going to events and building a network and relationships. Now, there are major events that you know are going to be packed with people. And there are days where it's not very nice outside, where you know some people might not show up. And there are newer companies that maybe might not have as many people at their events yet, right? Because they're going to grow. And very often, we think we have to go to the best thing that's going on, because the best people are going to be there. And we think maybe that's where we should spend our time. And I get it. It's like you want to go to an event that you know is going to be packed, full, and has a good reputation. But at those events, it's actually harder to stand out. If you were to go to a newer event with someone that's a mover and shaker in a community and go there a couple times, you're probably going to get known very fast. If the weather outside's not that nice, or it's on a day where there's a bunch of events going on, and you show up at something, then that's going to be recognized. And the whole goal of this is to build stronger relationships, to become known, not just go to an event. And to do that, you have to stand out. And so find opportunities with events to stand out. When it's really bad outside, go to events. 100%, you should be going to events. When there's competing events going on, go to events. When it's a new event, go to the event. And if anything, you have to actually focus on those events with a higher level of priority if you want to build relationships, build a brand name, and ultimately get more from the event than just being at the event, which isn't really the point. So try this out. Let me know how it goes. This is part of being fearless and living more for yourself.